Hello everyone, Spot Farmer 6710. Today we're doing Rathmore Farm Day 24 or 5 Season 6. So yeah, a bit busy today on the farm. Over here we're just taking off the high spec sorry tanker off the 6610 farm brown, just doing that. We got all the logs all chopped up for the fire. And we're feeding a straw bale a new bed for the cows after we mucked it out. And then here John is just changing the oil in the TW15, and the cows are happy out. But one of our friends came to visit us with his Land Rover, and it turned out I couldn't start it, but he thinks it's the heat plugs in the engine. So we're just tow starting it. We're tow starting it there with the 7810. Over here, the contractors are moving a big load of dung with their cane. And PJ's 135 is in there. He hasn't done much to it, but he's going to need a few new parts. And he's going to put a Duncan cab on it as well, so it should look better after that. Not much else happening here. The forklift's parked up, but he borrowed his brother's NC dumper, and he's going to follow the builders here. He's just doing a bit of work for the builders as their tractor broke down, so he's doing a bit of dumper work with the 956 XL. And PJ's just loading up the cattle here with his 3140 restored, and he's just moving them to a field down the road that has a bit more grass. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.